Ever wondered what sets successful entrepreneurs apart? Is it their skills, their knowledge, or perhaps their connections? While all of these are important, the true secret lies in their mindset. Today, we deep down into the world of the entrepreneurship mindset curriculum, breaking it down into digestible sections. First up is mindset development. An entrepreneur's mindset is a fusion of creativity, resilience, adaptability, and risk-taking. It's about looking at problems and seeing solutions. This part of the curriculum focuses on nurturing these traits, preparing individuals to face the challenges of entrepreneurship head-on. Next, we have opportunity recognition. This is all about understanding market needs, identifying trends, and spotting gaps. It's about seeing where others don't and validating the feasibility of these ideas. Then, there's the essential business planning. Here, one learns about market analysis, competitive positioning, revenue models, and financial projections. It's about laying a solid foundation for a business to thrive on. Networking and relationship building is another crucial part of the curriculum. It emphasizes the importance of building a network of mentors, advisors, partners, and customers. After all, no entrepreneur is an island. Resource management comes next, addressing topics such as financial management, budgeting, fundraising, bootstrapping, and managing human resources. It's about making the most out of what you have. With innovation and creativity, participants are encouraged to think outside the box. They're provided with tools and techniques for generating and evaluating new ideas. Risk management follows, teaching strategies for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with starting and running a business. It's about turning the unknown into the known. Marketing and sales covers everything from marketing principles, branding, customer acquisition, to sales strategies. It's about getting the word out and attracting customers. Legal and regulatory compliance provides an overview of the legal landscape. It covers entity formation, intellectual property protection, contracts, and compliance with labor and tax laws. Ethics and social responsibility addresses the ethical considerations in entrepreneurship. It encourages participants to consider the broader impact of their business ventures. Failure and resilience is a vital part of the curriculum. It recognizes that failure is often part of the entrepreneurial journey and teaches participants how to learn from failure, bounce back from setbacks, and maintain resilience. Lastly, we have pitching and presentation skills. This helps participants develop effective communication skills for pitching their ideas to investors, partners, customers, and other stakeholders. In summary, the entrepreneurship mindset curriculum is a comprehensive guide to becoming a successful entrepreneur. From developing the right mindset and recognizing opportunities to managing resources and handling failure, it covers every aspect of the entrepreneurial journey. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an established one looking to sharpen your skills, this curriculum offers invaluable insights and tools. Remember, entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business. It's a mindset.